Transport Pro Enterprise features a robust sales CRM module that allows you to add and manage sales accounts with ease. The system also helps you to manage sales teams and individuals so that each person can keep track of their accounts accordingly. Let's start by adding a new sales floor. Follow the path in the menu Sales, Manage Settings, Manage Sales Entities. A Manage Sales Floors window will open. If any sales floors have already been added, they will show up here. You can click on the paper icon to edit any of the sales floor names. To add a new sales floor, click on the new link. A new field will become available to edit. Type in the desired sales floor name. Now you can assign sales teams to the sales floors. To do this, click on the sales floor name. A new column will become available. Click on the new link in this column. A field will become available for you to edit. Type in the desired team name. At this point, you are ready to add individuals to the team. To do this, click on the team name. A new column titled Salespeople will become available. To add a salesperson to the team, click the new link. A fourth column will become available. Here, you need to enter some general information about the salesperson. Select the correct status. The status needs to be active in order for the salesperson to access the sales information in the system. Select the individual's access level. A salesperson can claim leads. A team leader can claim leads and reassign leads to other salespeople. A floor manager has the same permissions as a team leader and can reassign leads to other sales teams under their sales floor. And a sales admin has the same permissions as a floor manager, plus can manage user accounts and has unrestricted access to the sales system. Enter the salesperson's name. Note that the individual should already be entered as a user in the system. When you begin typing the name, a list will populate for you. Click on the correct name to lock it in. If you have entered an office phone number and/or an email address on the user's account, it will auto-populate for you. Once everything looks correct, click Save. You can add as many salespeople as needed to a team. You can also add as many sales floors and sales teams as necessary. You can come back to this screen and edit any information at any time, depending on your access level. Now, let's look at how to add a lead to the system. Follow the path in the menu Sales, Leads and Accounts, Add Lead. Enter the company name. Select the customer type as well as the stage. Select the lead source and quality. Enter the correct contact along with their title, phone number, fax, and email. Enter a description if applicable. Determine if you need to assign this lead to a specific sales floor, team, or person. Based on your selection here, choose the correct option from the drop-down menu. Then enter the address, city, state, and zip code. You also have the option to enter a customer link, broker carrier link, or location link, if applicable. When you begin typing in these fields, a list will populate for you. Click on the correct option to lock it in. Enter the NAICS code or D&B number if applicable. Enter the freight spend and select the mode of transportation as well as the commodities if applicable. Note that the yellow fields are required. Once everything looks correct, click Save. From here, you can add activity for the lead. For example, you can mark whether you called or emailed this lead, along with any updates or notes. You can add notes, contacts, or files to this lead profile if necessary. You also have the option to promote or claim the lead. When you opt to promote a lead, the status changes from lead to account. If you claim the lead, then the system will show you as the owner of the account. Note that when you first access a lead, it is locked for 10 minutes while you determine if you want to claim the lead. During this time, no one else can access the lead until you either claim the lead or exit the lead. Once you claim the lead, other salespeople will not be able to access the lead. Only team leaders, floor managers, and sales admins will be able to access the lead. Note that you do have the option to upload leads to Transport Pro rather than entering each lead if desired. Follow the path in the menu, Sales, Leads and Accounts, Upload Leads. Be sure to review the upload instructions by clicking on the hyperlink. Once you have set up your spreadsheet correctly, you can upload it by clicking on the Choose File button. Then select the type, stage, and lead source. Next, determine if you need to assign the leads. Once you have selected your spreadsheet and entered the applicable information, click Upload. You can do a search for existing leads and accounts by following the path in the menu, Sales, Leads and Accounts, Search Leads and Accounts, and you can filter by various criteria if desired. If you do not enter any search criteria and just click Search, a list of all leads and accounts will generate in the results. When the results generate, you do have the option to delete a lead or account by clicking on the scissor icon. To review or edit the information, click on the ID. Next, let's look at how to manage dispositions in the system. Follow the path in the menu, Sales, Manage Settings, Manage Dispositions. This section is used to set up the default next actions for each activity. Once an activity is completed, a next activity pop-up will appear with these pre-populated next actions. For example, a call has 7 dispositions. When a call is dispositioned as busy signal, the next action is to email that day. Setting these up is up to the salesperson's discretion. You can edit each disposition by clicking on the paper icon. Or you can add a new disposition by clicking on the Add Disposition link. Be sure to click Save after adding or editing any information. Now, we will look at how to manage inactivity. Follow the path in the menu, Sales, Manage Settings, Manage Inactivity. This window will display an explanation for you. The left column represents the type of lead or account. The rest of the columns represent the various statuses. Where these two intersect are the number of days permitted to pass before an account is marked past due in the system. If you leave a cell blank, it will never be flagged as past due. For example, a customer with a qualified status will be flagged as past due if there are more than 2 days of inactivity on that type of account. You can add opportunities to accounts, but they must be accounts, not leads. Navigate to the desired account. If there are any open opportunities, you will see them listed in the Open Opportunities section. To add a new opportunity, click on the corresponding link. A small window will open. Select whether this is a new or existing business. Select the correct stage. Enter a title and description. The owner will be auto-inserted for you, but if you need to change the owner, click on the lock icon and enter the desired owner. Enter the probability as a percentage, the amount, and the close date. The yellow fields are required. Once everything looks good, click Save. The opportunity will be added to the Open Opportunities section. You can edit an opportunity at any time by clicking on the paper icon, or you can delete the opportunity by clicking on the scissor icon. You can search for opportunities by following the path in the menu, Sales, Search Opportunity. Here, you have the option to filter by various criteria such as stage, salesperson, or amount. Lastly, you can access a sales activity report where you can filter by sales floor, salesperson, and more. And that covers how to manage sales in Transport Pro. If you would like to schedule a demonstration or have any questions, please call us at 800-800-5917 or email us at info@transportpro.net. You can learn more about us by visiting our website www.transportpro.net. If you are ready to sign up, you can do so by visiting the pricing page of our website and clicking More Info. Thank you for watching this video.